Yes,
I'm just
I
going to
am.
give you the injection now.
Okay.
I just need you to confirm that you consent to this vaccination.
Yeah.
So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to put it in your left arm.
Yeah.
Is that all
Shall I
right?
take this off?
No, it's just going to do it back this way. Is that all right?
Yes. Yeah.
Just going to be squeezing your arm, okay?
Okay.
Relax your arm for me. Just relax. All done.
What's that?
All done.
All right.
Do you even feel it?
No. It's very nice. Right. I'm not supposed to show any. It's okay.